Hi there, welcome to In the Spa Room. I'm your host, Samantha Dench. I'm an 11-year licensed esthetician and owner of Skin Deep. And today I want to bring some awareness to you about skin cancer. Since the 1970s, skin cancer rates have been on the rise. The interesting thing is, in 1970 is when sunscreens were created. So that makes you stop and think, why are skin cancer rates on the rise? And the answer is because the majority of our sunscreens out there use chemicals in them. And when you put a chemical sunscreen on your body, your skin absorbs it. And what happens is it absorbs into your skin and it absorbs into our bloodstream. And what happens is, because it's now in our bloodstream, our bodies no longer have the ability to properly protect us from the sun's harmful rays. So I highly recommend using a physical sunscreen, which is zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Personally, zinc oxide works the best, and it's a natural mineral, so if it does get in our bodies know how to utilize that mineral properly, so it will not cause harm to us. The nice thing is, when you put a physical sunscreen on your body, what it does is it acts as a mirror, and it deflects the sun's rays away from our body. Chemical sunscreens, they absorb the sun's rays into our body, and they diffuse the sun's energy that way. If you have any questions, I would be happy to look at your sunscreens or even talk to you about what ingredients to avoid. My email is samanthaspa@yahoo.com, and I have a whole list of chemical sunscreens. And if you need recommendations, I have a ton of recommendations that I can give you. And the last tip that I want to give you is not all zinc oxide products are created equally. Sometimes you'll look at a product and it'll say like 4% zinc or 6% zinc. But after that, you'll notice that sometimes there's chemicals listed in the sunscreen. So you really have to be careful when you're reading labels. You really need to make sure that you know which ingredients are the chemical sunscreens. And there are a few that cause more harm than others. So again, if you would like that list, I'd be happy to help you out. Feel free to email me anytime. And also don't forget to follow me on YouTube at Samantha Dench. Have a great Sunday. I'll see you next week.